guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI images like this for free. You are not paying anything for it. So you can see these images right here. I generated this image that you are seeing on the screen right now using ChatGPT. You can see it, and there are so many images that I've generated using just ChatGPT to generate this kind of images. So there are so many, but in this video I will show you how to generate images for either for your business, for your brand, or whatever that you want to do using ChatGPT or other image generator that you can use to generate good and quality images for yourself, either for your brand. So you can see one of the images I generated for my course, the Blog Money Blueprint, using ChatGPT, and you can see jamming that I've also generated a lot of images using the same this very tool as well. You can see these are images I generated also using jamming, and you can see this particular one as well. I think I've generated images using this Lamodusoft. This particular also tool I've used it, and this tool also I've used it. So in this video I will show you I've been able to generate all these images for my product and for my course, and these are things that you can actually do for yourself. Even using your smartphone, you can do all of this stuff for yourself. And in this video I will show you the quick and simplest way to do it. And to get this kind of stuff that you are seeing, this kind of images you are seeing right here, and this one that you are seeing right here, to get this kind of stuff, all you need is a prompt. Like I've been saying it on this on my channel, that if you want to get a good and quality content from AI, all you need is a prompt. A prompt, like I usually say, is an instruction given to this AI tool on what they need to do for you and what they need to deliver for you, to you. Are you getting me? So if your prompt is bad, you are definitely going to get a bad response. So if your prompt is good, you're definitely going to get a good result. So that is why it is always very, very important, and do a little editing for it, so that you can see how to create this kind of images for yourself. You can see I said hello ChatGPT, help me to create an image. I'm going to see. So you can see my prompt. You can see that my prompt, I've written my prompt, then I'm going to hit enter. Then let's watch. I've hit enter. Then let's watch and see what ChatGPT is basically going to generate for us. Let's see what it's going to generate for us. So guys, you can see now that ChatGPT has completely generated the image for us. You can see, look at the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Look at the prompt. I said, help me create an image of a beautiful lady holding the Blog Money Blueprint flyer with 3 other guys by her side in the open place at the airport. Are you getting me? So this is the prompt I basically gave to ChatGPT, and look at what it gave to me. So look at what it gave to me. You see a beautiful picture it gave to me. This is how you can generate tons and tons of images using AI for your brand. You can see that even when I had to add my WhatsApp number, even when I did not add my WhatsApp number on the prompt, but you can see that ChatGPT has added my WhatsApp number to it. It's a learn blogging today. You can see even I did not add all these, it added all of these to me, for me. You can see, you can just go ahead and download, and to download is very simple. Just click down here, look at it, you can just click download. So if I need it now, just go ahead, click here and download. So you can see what ChatGPT has generated for me just using this particular prompt. Like I said, assuming I give more detailed prompt than this, you see I will still get more better result to what I have right here. Now let's check on the Gemini and see what they will give to me. Though I've been pasting the look at the prompt also. Create me an image of a beautiful lady holding the Blog Money Blueprint flyer with 3 other guys by her side in the open place at the airport. So I don't know why Gemini has not basically given me the image. Maybe I've exceeded my free plan. So I think I've exceeded my free plan. That is why they have not shown me any image or generated any image for me, because I basically use them to generate all of these images that you are seeing. So maybe that is why they did not give me generate the image for me. Maybe I've exceeded my free plan. But let's check out other ones. I also talk about this one, which is a leopard, or what did they call? So you can see that I pasted my prompt as to help me create an image of a beautiful lady holding a blog, holding the Blog Money Blueprint flyer with 3 other guys by her side in the open place at the airport. So I used the same prompt and they gave me different kind of images, and that is what it is. So you can use one prompt for different AI generator, and you get different kind of design. So you can see what they give to me. Let's see what the kind of image they give to me. So you can see it right here. So you can see the image they give to me. You can see the design. Like I told you, I've been using them to generate images for myself for a while. You can see some of this one that I've generated, and so many of them that I've actually generated. So you can use this AI to as well to generate good images for yourself, for your brand, and for your product, and all of that. You can see that I've used it a lot. And when you sign up an account, they're going to give you a free credit that you are going to use for yourself. You see, I still have about 115 credits. You can see all these ones were generated using this particular AI. You can see all of these, they were generated using AI, because there's a particular YouTube channel I'm trying to work upon. That is what I use all of this for. And you can, the cool thing is that you can change the image dimension. Are you getting me? You can change the image dimension either to 2.3 or 1.1 or 16.9. This is the YouTube dimension. If you want to use it for YouTube, you can just click here and change it for YouTube dimension. So in numbers of image, how many do you need? Basically, they generate about 4, but it all depends on how many that you want. So you can see that this particular AI2 has generated the image for us. You can see the Blog Money Blueprint. You can see them that he have generated. This is airport. You can see the airplane at the back. So if I want to download it, I can just go ahead here and click on download. Then let's check out the last one. Look at the last one, which I also talk about, which is text to image. You can see my prompt here also. Help me create an image of a beautiful lady holding the Blog Money Blueprint flyer with 3 other guys by her side in the open place at the airport. You can see that it has also done justice. So you can see that it has generated the image for us as well, for us to take a look at. So all you just need on all of these platforms, just sign up an account. It's free, though they have a paying plan. If you want to go with the paying plan, look at the paying plan. So if you want to go with the paying plan, you can just go ahead with the paying plan. If it suits you, if it is what you want, you can just go ahead and sign up on a paying plan to start using the paying feature. Then you can explore more of it. So, but I want to ask, in all of these 3 platforms we have used, ChatGPT and this one, these 3 platforms, which of them do you think actually gave us the best image? Now look at what ChatGPT has done for us. Look at the design that ChatGPT actually gave to us. Look at the design. Look at how beautiful it is, and also look at this one, how beautiful it is, and this one, how beautiful it is. So use the comment section and tell me the one that gave the most beautiful design. Is it ChatGPT? Is it this particular one, either Lumod or this and don't forget to tell me that this one gave us the best design in all of the AI tool we have used. So just let me know the one that gave us the good design. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. And if you are just a newcomer in this channel, we grow content and make content around affiliate marketing, blogging, online hustles, and how to make money online. So if it is what interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that we can grow this community together and help one another grow financially. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends. So still watch out on the next video. So stay safe. Is your guy.